Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based air pollution monitoring system using Arduino with ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and GSM SMS alert. So in this project we are using an 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3, and we are sending the data through Wi-Fi hotspot mobile internet we are using, and GSM SIM 800A for SMS alert. So alarm, red LEDs, indicators, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, RS enabled, D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. LM35 temperature sensor, it is connected to the A0. MQ2 gas sensor, it is connected to the A1. MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor, it is connected to the A2, and cooling fan. If temperature, based on the temperature, the DC fan should be rotated. If MQ6 gas alert, alarm, and MQ9 carbon monoxide alert, red LED. See, all the data we are sending through Wi-Fi hotspot, mobile data, internet we are using, and we are sending the data to server, and GSM only for the SMS alert. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using one GSM modem, GSM SIM 800A. So Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, and internet balance. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, GSM module. So this is power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, Arduino Uno R3 board, and the reset button. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display. A0, A1, A2, A3. It is connected to the A0 LM35 temperature sensor. MQ6 gas sensor is A1. A2 is connected to the MQ9, and LM if temperature based on the fan speed cooling fan, and MQ6 it is connected to the alarm, MQ9, and red LED indicator. So we are sending the data through Wi-Fi hotspot internet. So go to mobile data, and the Wi-Fi hotspot should be on. So here mobile hotspot internet is project, all are small letter, project, small letter, project 1 2 3 4. There is no spaces. There is a website. So we are monitoring the data onto the server. So open it. Okay, so the URL is water quality, air water quality monitoring system. Okay, IoT based air quality monitoring system. So IoT air IoT air 45456. Okay, IoT air 456, and the date and time, temperature, MQ6, MQ9, full data. So here it will show the full data, temperature sensor, MQ6 sensor, MQ9 sensor, and the date and time. Okay, so go to the main screen. Now I am giving the adapter power source. Okay, now power on. IoT based finding network okay, SIP mode, Wi-Fi connected, T for temperature, MQ6, MQ9. So it is continuously checking all the sensors. Every 20 counts it will update the data to server. So now I am taking the LM35 temperature sensor for doop stick. Cooling fan speed also increased, 1 or 2. '83. So 83 time it is sending the data, and it is sending the SMS alert also. Every 3 counts of data it will update. Okay, over temperature alert. Okay, and here, and it is updating the data onto the web page also. Now I am going for this gas sensor, gas alert. Okay, MQ2 gas, MQ6 gas sensor. Okay, buzzer alert. Whenever server sending, then only you can. Okay, 101, 248. Okay, SMS sent. Okay, high gas alert. Okay, now CO, carbon monoxide, MQ9 sensor alert. 232, red LED is on. Okay, sending to website success. Sending data. T for temperature, MQ6, MQ9. Okay, high CO alert, over temperature alert, gas alert, CO alert. GSM module, power supply board, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. We are sending the data to hotspot internet. Okay, mobile internet we are using. IoT module, LM16 cross to LC display, LM35 temperature sensor, MQ6 gas sensor, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor, alarm, engine and LEDs. So MQ9 LEDs, MQ6 alarm, LM35 DC motor. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded.